Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to draw a cat. So you're going to want to start with a pretty large oval near the centre of your page. Notice how it's not quite a circle and it's stretched on the left and right sides. And the chin is just going to be a little curve underneath the oval as I'm doing now. Next is the ears. Notice how the ears aren't pointed at the end and they've got a curve to it as I'm doing up there. Again, from this reference image, notice how the ears are curved. So now I'm just going to do a suggestion of the body. Lines here and over here as well, just to make sure that the head isn't floating. Now for the nose, which is a triangle near the middle and just below the centre, and tiny curves there for the nostrils too. A straight line down a little way and a big smile. Now I'm just going to correct the chin so the bottom of the chin at the lowest point aligns with the nose. Now I'm just going to draw a few light lines coming up from the nose at an angle going outwards, so we know where to put the eyes that way. And two oval shapes for the eyes. Now add a curve in the centre of the eyes for the tear ducts. Now make the outside of the eyes a tiny bit pointier, because that's how cats' eyes are actually shaped. Have a look at this image and pay close attention to the shape of the eyes. So next is the outside of the ears. It's almost like making a triangle, but without connecting the two sides. Cats also have fur inside of their ears as well, so using curved lines like this, draw some ear fluff. Next are the pupils, which are again like ovals, and you can shade them in, as well as the outside of the eye like I'm doing here. Now I'm just going to outline the nose and a few more areas, just to make them stand out a little bit more. This next bit is really up to you. You could leave the face round like this, or you could make your cat as fluffy as you'd like. I'm going to give mine a bit of fluff around the cheeks, and a tuft on its head. Here I'm going to shade in the nose and also shade the eyes in a little bit darker. Now for some forehead stripes. To me they look a bit like icing dripping off a cake. Typically 2 are longer than the rest. 2 round eyebrows and stripes coming from the eyes. Where the whiskers come from, it's a little bit darker, so I'm doing a suggestion of this area. Lines getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Now for 2 stripes on either cheek. Here I'm just doing a bit of shading underneath the chin with thin, small lines. Coming from the darker bits you drew for the whiskers, you can draw light lines for the whiskers. Last but certainly not least, I'm just going to lightly shade the tabby marks. And I'm all done. I hope you enjoyed it and made an amazing work for yourself.